It's time for the ultimate IKEA gaming chairs. We have a look at the IKEA MATCHSPEL. I hope I'm saying that right. But let's just go ahead and check it out. Rick, thank you for joining me today. We are going to have a look at this IKEA gaming chair. I'm not going to sit in it for too long. I'm actually going to go ahead and get up. We're going to do an in-depth tour of this chair. Here we have the IKEA MATCHSPEL. It's part of IKEA's collaboration with ROG. Them and Asus have come out with this line of gaming products, like a chair, a desk, and then they have this whole setup on their website that you can get. But the thing we're most interested in is the chair, because we still have this gaming desk, which apparently isn't available in white anymore from IKEA. The chair looks pretty nice. It has these blue accents, like right here on the cushion. There's this blue line. It does look a little bit darker in person than it does in the picture. The thing I like about this chair and the other IKEA chair that we have is this part is metal. So it'll probably last longer, especially if you have to change the wheels out. There's less chance of it breaking, like the actual part where the wheels go in. This part is actually metal as well. So they've actually put some sturdy materials in the base of the chair. If we look underneath the chair, you have your screws here that hold on the arms. So the arms are actually plastic. They did cheap out a little bit on the arms, but that's fine. I find plastic arms to be generally more comfortable. We do have one other chair that has metal arms, and it kind of bothers me. Actually going with the plastic arms was a better choice in this case. And then down here you have your handle to adjust the chair up or down. Of course, if you hold it, it goes up, and if you sit in it, it goes down. It does have a blue handle to match the accents of the chair. Going back up to the top of the chair, these handles are also adjustable, so they go in and out. They also adjust up and down by holding this button. It is one of those situations where I feel like these are a little bit too easy to move. When I've been sitting in this chair, sometimes I'll accidentally move them. There is a little bit of play, just a little bit, in the construction itself, just because of this plastic right here that overlaps, but nothing too bad. I'd have to say the arms are the cheapest feeling part of the chair. The other parts of the chair feel pretty premium. Of course, you have the mesh back, which is really comfortable. It's actually pretty firm. So sitting up here, you do have a lot of back support. This headrest is also adjustable, so you can adjust it up and down. And you can also tilt it as well, which I don't know a scenario where I would really want to do that, but it's an option if you want to tilt it. That's completely up to you. If we head around the back of the chair, it looks kind of cool from afar, but up close, there's not really any detail. It would have been cool to see a spinal cord type design just to make it feel more gamery. But this is also metal as well. And this part that attaches to it for the neck is plastic. So overall, I really like the aesthetics of the chair. But the most important question is if it's actually comfortable. And I have to say, I'm going to take this hat off because it's pushing against my neck. But I have to say it's really comfortable, especially this headrest. The chair also reclines back. It was pretty impossible to show that while not sitting in it. And it's really comfortable. It doesn't try to force you forward like some of the other cheaper chairs do. Like if you recline back in here, it actually holds this position really well. It doesn't push the bottom of the chair up too much. And I guess this is where you could adjust the headrests, but I don't see why you would really tilt this, but you can do that if you want to. I mean, I guess if someone's taller than me, it would probably make more sense because my head's not fully over this. And you can push in the side lever to lock it in place as well. So yeah, overall I think this chair is really comfortable. I've had a lot of chairs in the $150 to $300 price range. I mean, that's mostly what I buy. And I have to say, comfort-wise, this is probably one of the best chairs. Obviously it's not going to be up there with one of the premium office chairs that you would get that are going to be $800 to $1,000. But I think for this price range, it's really comfortable and it's a really nice chair. But that's all I have to say about the IKEA gaming chair, the MATCHSPEL. They have two other ones I think that they're selling right now. So the expensive one. But if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to tell a friend, tell a coworker, like, share, and subscribe. And always do at least 2 things at the same time. Please subscribe and like the video so I can stop spinning. I'm really getting dizzy here. This does not feel good. I am not comfortable right now. It is a smooth spin though. It's really smooth.